puppy. Look what you got from Auntie Lois. She taped this thing up. Scissors.
She wanted to make sure it was going to make it all the way.
So. We'll do the dog tags first. You got pretty tags.
Huh?
Pretty tags. He dog tags. He's pretty tags. Look.
Oh my gosh.
Oh. That's the jump ring.
Okay, I'm walking.
Okay. Right. Look, it says Willow Martin, and it has our phone number. And Tova Martin.
Aren't those cute?
What else did you get? What else? I can move further over this way if that helps.
That's okay. I'm trying to be as smooth as I can, so I'm not wiggling all over, but I don't have good, I don't have steady hands.
That's what she said.
Yeah, I do all the quilling and stuff.
Look! Look! They're so excited. What did she get for the puppy? What did she get for the puppy?
Erica.
That was my... What's this? Look!
I tried to block it out as much as I could,
That's okay.
as soon as I noticed.
Look! What is this?
Oh my gosh, that's cool.
Tough, tough creature. That's cool. That thing's gonna last forever.
That is cool.
Oh! What is it? What is it? Look at that. You wanna see what else? You wanna see what else? Whoa, look at this. Oh, no problem.
Okay. Oh, they're gonna go barking at her now.
Come here. Come here. Look at this one. Look at this one. Come here. No. And I know there's other things in here. Look.
That's what they
That's
could
what they
smell.
What? What? I see treats. Ready? Sit. Good girl. Oh my word, look at these. Look at these. This big bone.
I could be saying some holy words right now,
Holy moly. Look at these bones.
but I'll keep it appropriate.
Ouch. I want to see what each of them looks like. Look at this. Look at this. There's one for you. Look, there's one for you. It's like bigger than her head.
They're going opposite directions.
Look, there's a frisbee. There's a frisbee. Look at all this. Look at that. Look at that. And what else do we got in here? Holy moly! Another one! There's another one, and look at these.
Oh, I think those are the ones that they eat down.
Yeah. Well, they'll even eat those, too.
Oh, they do?
Yep.
Oh, because those are like rawhide or something?
Yep. You got treats? Look at the treats.
Willow's sitting, or Tova's sitting.
Sure we not missing anything. There's another box of treats. There's another box of treats. You sure we got it all? That's it. Just peanuts. Can you look? Can you sing? Can you say thank you, Auntie Lois? Can you just? There they are. Thank you.
They don't want to look at me. They want all those toys and treats.
Go play with the toys.
I don't have
Go play with
anything.
the toys. There she goes. She's got the octopus. This one. You take this one. There you go. There you go.
Those things are both big enough. They can
Fight
pull
over.
them, yeah,
But they last forever.
pull them back and forth.
Uh-oh. No, you
They're
already
going
have
for the
one.
treats.
Right, and then you just press the